In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an email list from Mailchimp to AWeber. So if you're looking to transition your subscriber base to a new email marketing platform, you've come to the right place. We're going to break this process down into clear, manageable steps, ensuring you have the confidence and expertise to carry it out seamlessly. First, let's dive into logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head directly to the Audience tab. This is essentially the hub for all your contacts and subscriber information. What we're interested in is selecting All Contacts. This option is essential because it gives us access to everyone's information. Now, with this view of your audience, the next task is to export your subscribed contacts. When you perform this action, Mailchimp will generate a CSV file for you. This file is crucial since it contains all the necessary data about your subscribers needed for the import process. Go ahead and save the CSV file onto your computer. Remember to keep it in a place where you can easily find it later, such as your desktop or a dedicated project folder. Before we jump straight into importing these contacts, it's very important to prepare your contact list carefully. Ensuring that your list is clean and precise will greatly improve your import experience in future email campaigns. Focus on keeping only active, subscribed contacts on your list. It's best to remember to remove any unsubscribed individuals as well as bounced or invalid email addresses. These can skew your metrics and potentially harm your deliverability rates. Another best practice is to avoid bringing over contacts that you haven't reached out to in the last 6 months. Such dormant addresses might negatively impact how your emails are delivered. Staying proactive with these steps now will save you time and hassle later. Now comes the exciting part. It's time to transition over to AWeber. Start by logging into your AWeber account. Depending on whether you have an existing list or are starting fresh, you'll want to create a new list or select an existing one that's ready to receive those Mailchimp contacts. This step sets the stage for where exactly your contacts will belong in your AWeber environment, so choose wisely according to your current marketing strategies. With your AWeber list sorted, let's move on to importing your CSV file. Navigate to the Subscribers section, and there click on Add Subscribers. You'll want to click on Import Multiple, which will allow you to upload the CSV file we exported from Mailchimp earlier. Once you have uploaded it, AWeber will guide you through the process of aligning the data fields and finalizing the import. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll have your Mailchimp list successfully integrated into AWeber. Take your time with each part of the process to ensure accuracy and a smooth transition for your email marketing efforts. If you have any questions or need further guidance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching.